Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js Typescript, Postgres and the TypeOrm. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So today we are going to learn about how to create the REST API with the help of the TypeOrm, Postgres, Node.js and the TypeScript. So those who haven't subscribed, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here you can see that we have the full-fledged API part. So here we have the get users. So I have the get users part, then we have a post one. So let me add two more details over here. So I will add rest of the two details, and if I go and just fetch all the data, you can see we are fetching all the data. And in the database part, we have a user entity and the view and edit all rows. So we have fetched the two records over here, right? So how to fetch the records, post the records via API, we are going to learn in this video. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, we have the project structure like this. Okay, so we have the source. Okay, so on which file entities, you have to create the entities. My entities is users, so you have to create like this entity. Okay, so this is the entity primary generated column. So these are the columns, username and the email. Rest of the columns you can add according to your requirements. Okay, you have to create this one. After this, we have the database configuration type ORM. So make sure you have the configuration like this, which we have discussed in the previous video. You can just follow up that one also. So make sure of that settings are properly done. Okay, then we have a app.ts file, the main file, the express connect db from the type orm, user entity from the users. Okay, here we have the express, then express use json, then connection, we have to connect the db first. Okay, then we have the get users part. So here we have the connection, get repository user. So if repository name is user, then we are finding all the data and then returning the response. Okay, else any issue occurs, error in fetching the users or internal server error. Okay, then same we have the post part, then we have a post users. So connection get users, first we require body, then username and email we are fetching from here. We initialize a new object with the new user, then passing the username and the email, then user repository, save that user. If everything goes well, save the user to the database, respond with the created user. So whatever we have created, we have to return that one. Any issue found, it will throw you the error. Okay, so the and after that we have a app listen port on the server, which server it won't be listening. Okay, so you can see that, right? And here you can see you if I just enter this one. Okay, so you can see that all the logging part here. So if I go and just postman, if I have the logs get request. Okay, so in the console you can see that select user id from this and this one. So query is this one selected. If I go and just do the post part over here, so let's go and do the post, and here I will add Rajnikant 90, and here Rajnikant 56 millimeter, send it, returning the response. You can see here, insert into the user, all the things are just recorded over here, what we have done, what we are fetching, so each and everything. And you can see in the database also the rows are there. Okay, so this is how we are able to create the REST API with the help of the Postgres, TypeScript, Node.js, and TypeOrm. Okay, so any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.